It's Friday, and I have Fridays off because I do 410s during the week. So my Fridays are completely free, which I have been loving. So let's see, this weekend, I don't have much planned as usual. Usually my weekends are very solo because I'm in a new city by myself. But today I'm actually going to the movies this evening with some ladies that I met in a group that I joined. So we're going to see the new Michael Jackson movie, so that should be fun. But other than that, this weekend I will be completely solo. I don't have any social activities because I don't know anybody here really. You know, I moved to a new city by myself. But I have to take my dog to the groomer. So there's her before shot. Where are you, girl? Nyla? So I have to take her to the groomer. I'm about to do that now. So this is kind of like the beginning of my weekend. I haven't done anything so far. So other than that, other than taking her to the groomers, going to see the new Michael Jackson movie, I got a bunch of errands I need to run and probably some cleaning around the house, typical routine stuff. My weekend is pretty solo. But ironically, I have really been enjoying more of a routine, more of a structure, because when I was traveling, I didn't have that. I was just so free. I had nothing planned unless I just wanted to explore, do some activities. So I've actually been enjoying just getting back to like a routine and feeling more stable than I have been the past year and a half or so. So I'll just be hanging by myself. So come and enjoy a solo weekend in my life. Hello, I have an appointment at 12:30. Nyla. Typical Friday for me. Do you have okra? Fresh okra? We gotta stop. Do you know when you'll get some in? Monday? Okay, thank you. Get over here to get the chia seeds. Box combo with the bottle of water. Hi. Here for Nyla.
She did pretty good. She was
did.
a little shy.
Come on. my errands are done for Friday. I still have a bunch of places to go to tomorrow on Saturday. But right now, I'm about to go see the Michael Jackson new movie. So I didn't dress up. I think a lot of the women that I'm going with are actually dressing up. I didn't dress up. I just have on a a Michael Jackson t-shirt. I didn't feel like doing all of that. I just want to see the movie. But it should be fun. I'm looking forward to the movie. But after the movie, that's about it for me. And I think the movie will be over around 10 anyway. So what else am I going to do besides go home? But yeah, I'm off to see Michael Jackson. Can I get a small popcorn? Do you have a small popcorn? So it's Saturday. So the Michael Jackson movie was really good, especially if you're a Michael Jackson fan like me. It stopped at like 1988 or something like that because I think they're going to make a part 2. But it was really good. It was good to get out and be around some people. Quite a few of the ladies that I was with dressed up, so that was fun. But today I don't have much planned. Got more errands to run as usual. And I do have some cleaning and some some personal things I need to take care of. So I'm going to spend most of my Saturday probably just at home. But cleaning is going to take up the bulk of my Saturday. So I always like to clean up on Saturdays anyway because I like for my place to be clean for the upcoming week. So I'm probably going to do that after I run some errands. But other than that, that's going to be about it. I don't have much planned today. You know, when you are an introvert and then you move to a place where you don't know anybody, it's so hard to get out of that. And I have been trying to get out of that though. Like when I first got here a few months ago, I was more intentional about doing things, but I kind of got back into the habit of not doing anything at all anymore. So I'm going to try to get out of that again, especially since the summer is upon us. It's going to be more things to do. But yeah, sometimes I'm okay with just staying home all weekend. I don't mind that at all. You save more money that way too. So yeah, just more errands and cleaning. So that's how I'm going to spend my Saturday.
You don't need to let your body go. Hungry heart. It's not easy to start over. I've been there a couple of times, starting over. Know that when the night comes over you, rest is in you. You will shed that.
So it's Sunday. I made it through another week in a new city by myself. So Sundays I don't really do much. I would actually just stay in today if I didn't have a few more errands I needed to run, but I need to do a few more things before I can wrap up the weekend, and then I need to come back in and just clean up. So this is just a Sunday, another solo day in my life in a new city. So this is how I usually spend it. weekend by myself in the new city. So pretty uneventful, I know, but this is my typical weekend. I did have one social activity on Friday, but other than that, it was just me by myself, and I'm okay with that. I actually am okay with where I am right now. I am still rebuilding everything, so I'm in a good place. But if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching.